So when working with VLOOKUP and hlookup functions, you need to know that for the given data, this is how we index it. So this is the first column, this is second column, this is third column. And for the rows, first row will start with the index 1, and then it will go like 1 2 3 4, something like that. Now in the hlookup, what happens is that horizontal lookup happens. That means we give the name, column name, for example EMP phone. Okay, so what it does is that it scans each and every column and then stops whenever it matches that given column name. For example, in this hlookup function we are given EMP phone. That means it will start here, EMP ID is not matching with EMP phone, so it will go to the next column, EMP name is matching with EMP phone, no, and then finally it will go here, and that's where the match is happening. So it will stop in this particular column. Now in that column we can specify which row we want to get the data for. For example, let us say I want to extract the data for the second row for the EMP phone. So it will return 94838. Okay, 94838. But if you want to extract the data for say fourth row, then it should return this 7838209. So remember that this column is fixed, okay, because that is how the hlookup works. So this particular parameter, it only identifies the column. Once it identifies that column, it is gonna get you the records or the data from that column only. But since there are different rows, lots of rows, we have to specify from which row we want to extract the data, and that parameter is going over here. And here you have to give false when data is not sorted. If data is sorted, then you can put true over there. Let us take another example, hlookup. Now let us focus on this second column, that is EMP name. So I'm going to put EMP name. So it will focus on that column, employee name, and range is also fixed. Okay, range is this one, and then index. Now in that column there are lots of records, right? So let us grab fourth record. So fourth is mat basically, so it should return mat, and you can see it has written the mat. So that is how the hlookup works. In the VLOOKUP, what happens is that the row is fixed, we focus on the row. In hlookup, what happens is that we focus on the column. Thanks for watching.